You might feel alone on your spiritual journey, struggling to find people who truly understand you. The reason for this, my friend, is that finding a spiritual tribe isn't as straightforward as it seems. Many of us who walk a spiritual path often feel isolated, as if we're the only ones who see the world differently. It's not that there aren't others out there like us. It's just that our paths are unique and sometimes difficult to share. Imagine trying to explain your deepest spiritual experiences to someone who hasn't had them. It can feel impossible. This sense of loneliness can be overwhelming, but it is also a powerful call to action. The universe is nudging you to find your spiritual tribe, those who will walk this path with you and support your growth. If you don't find your spiritual tribe, you might feel isolated and misunderstood, missing out on the support and growth that comes from being with like-minded individuals. Isolation can lead to a feeling of stagnation in your spiritual growth. Without a tribe, you lack the shared wisdom and experiences that come from being in a community. You miss the encouragement that pushes you to keep exploring and deepening your spiritual practice. Additionally, the absence of a supportive community can make you doubt your own experiences and insights. It's easy to question your path when you have no one to share it with. The stakes are high because finding your tribe isn't just about companionship. It's about your spiritual evolution. Without a tribe, you might find yourself feeling lost and alone, struggling to stay true to your path in the face of external pressures and internal doubts. The first step in finding your spiritual tribe is understanding your own spiritual path. Reflect on your beliefs, practices, and what resonates with you on a deep level. This self-awareness is crucial because your tribe will be composed of people who share similar values and spiritual goals. Take some time to journal about your spiritual experiences. What moments have felt most profound to you? What practices bring you the most peace and clarity? Understanding these aspects of your journey will help you recognize others who are on a similar path. Consider the spiritual traditions or philosophies that resonate with you. Are you drawn to meditation, yoga, or perhaps the teachings of a specific spiritual leader? Knowing your preferences can guide you toward communities and groups that share your interests. For example, if you find that meditation is central to your practice, look for meditation groups or retreats. If you're passionate about yoga, connect with others through yoga classes or workshops. Understanding your own path also involves recognizing your strengths and areas for growth. Are you a natural healer, someone who finds joy in helping others through energy work or holistic practices? Or are you a seeker, always looking for new knowledge and experiences? Your spiritual tribe will often mirror these aspects of yourself, so being clear about who you are and what you need will help you find those who can support and challenge you in meaningful ways. As you delve into your spiritual path, remember that it's okay to evolve. Your beliefs and practices may change over time, and that's a natural part of spiritual growth. Stay open to new experiences and be willing to let go of what no longer serves you. This openness will not only enhance your journey, but also attract others who are on similar transformative paths. Look for authentic connections. These are people who accept you for who you are and encourage your spiritual growth. Authentic connections are the foundation of a spiritual tribe. They go beyond superficial interactions and allow for deep, meaningful relationships. To find these connections, you need to be genuine and open about your spiritual journey. Start by being yourself. When you meet new people, don't hide your spiritual beliefs and practices. Share them openly, even if they seem unconventional. Authenticity attracts authenticity. When you are true to yourself, you naturally attract people who resonate with your energy and values. It's also important to listen actively. Pay attention to the stories and experiences of others. Genuine interest in their journey can build a strong bond. Ask questions and show empathy. Authentic connections are reciprocal. They involve giving and receiving, sharing and listening. Look for opportunities to connect with like-minded individuals. Attend spiritual events, workshops, or seminars where you are likely to meet people who share your interests. Join online forums and social media groups dedicated to spiritual topics. These platforms can be a great way to find and connect with others who are on a similar path. Authentic connections take time to build. Don't rush the process, be patient, and allow relationships to develop naturally. Trust that the right people will come into your life at the right time. Authentic connections are worth the wait because they provide the support and encouragement you need to grow spiritually. Join spiritual groups or communities. Whether online or in person, these spaces are designed to bring like-minded individuals together. Spiritual communities offer a sense of belonging and provide a supportive environment for your growth. They can be found in various forms, such as meditation groups, yoga classes, religious congregations, or online forums. Start by researching local spiritual groups in your area. Look for meetups, workshops, or classes that align with your interests. Attending these events can help you meet people who share your beliefs and values. For instance, if you practice meditation, joining a local meditation group can connect you with others who share this practice. Online communities are also a valuable resource. Platforms like Facebook, Reddit, and specialized forums have groups dedicated to virtually every spiritual practice and belief system. Joining these groups allows you to connect with a global community of like-minded individuals. Participate actively in discussions, share your experiences, and offer support to others. Engaging in spiritual communities involves more than just attending events or joining groups. It requires active participation and a willingness to contribute. Volunteer your time, share your knowledge, and support others in their spiritual journeys. Being an active member of a community enhances your experience and helps you build deeper connections. Spiritual communities are diverse. Explore different groups and communities until you find one that feels like home. The right community will support your growth, challenge you to expand your horizons, and provide a safe space for you to explore your spirituality. Attend spiritual workshops and retreats. These immersive experiences can help you connect deeply with others who share your journey. Workshops and retreats offer a unique opportunity to step away from your daily routine and immerse yourself in a spiritual environment. They provide intensive learning and growth experiences that can accelerate your spiritual development. Workshops are often short-term events focused on specific topics. They can range from a few hours to a few days and cover a wide range of spiritual practices and teachings. Look for workshops that align with your interests and needs. Whether it's a yoga workshop, a meditation retreat, or a seminar on spiritual healing, these events can provide valuable insights and connections. Retreats, on the other hand, are longer and more immersive. They typically last several days to a week and offer a deeper dive into spiritual practices. Retreats often take place in serene, natural settings that enhance the spiritual experience. Participating in a retreat allows you to disconnect from the outside world and focus entirely on your spiritual growth. Both workshops and retreats offer opportunities to meet like-minded individuals. The shared experience of learning and growing together creates strong bonds. You'll find that the people you meet at these events often become lifelong friends and members of your spiritual tribe. When choosing a workshop or retreat, consider the reputation of the organizers and the quality of the program. Look for events led by experienced teachers who resonate with your beliefs and practices. Read reviews and testimonials to ensure that the event will meet your expectations. Attending workshops and retreats is an investment in your spiritual journey. Be open to the experience, engage fully, and take advantage of the opportunity to connect with others. These events can provide profound insights and connections that support your growth and help you find your spiritual tribe. Be open and vulnerable. Share your experiences and listen to others. This openness can create strong bonds. In the journey of finding your spiritual tribe, vulnerability is a powerful tool. It allows you to connect with others on a deeper level, beyond the surface of everyday interactions. When you share your personal spiritual experiences, you invite others to do the same. This mutual sharing creates a space of trust and understanding. Don't be afraid to talk about your spiritual struggles, breakthroughs, and moments of doubt. These honest conversations can reveal shared experiences and foster a sense of community. Listening is equally important. When others share their stories, listen with an open heart and mind. Show empathy and understanding and avoid judgment. This creates a safe space where everyone feels valued and heard. Vulnerability also involves being honest about your needs and boundaries. Communicate openly with your spiritual community about what you need for your growth and well-being. This honesty helps build relationships based on mutual respect and support. Remember, being open and vulnerable can be challenging, especially if you've experienced rejection or misunderstanding in the past. Take small steps and gradually build your comfort level. The more you practice vulnerability, the more natural it will become and the stronger your connections will be. Use social media mindfully. Follow spiritual leaders and join online communities to find and connect with your tribe. Social media is a powerful tool for building your spiritual network, but it requires mindful use to be truly effective. Start by curating your social media feed. Follow spiritual leaders, teachers, and communities that resonate with your beliefs and practices. Engage with their content by liking, sharing, and commenting. This helps you connect with others who share your interests. Join online groups and forums dedicated to spiritual topics. Participate in discussions, ask questions, and share your experiences. These online communities can provide support, inspiration, and a sense of belonging. However, be mindful of the content you consume and share. Social media can be overwhelming and distracting if not used carefully. Set boundaries for your social media use to ensure it supports your spiritual growth rather than hinders it. Remember to balance online interactions with real-world connections. While social media is a valuable tool, face-to-face interactions are irreplaceable. Use social media to find and connect with your tribe, but also seek opportunities to meet in person and deepen those connections. Trust your intuition. Your inner guidance will help you recognize your tribe when you find them. Intuition is a powerful tool in your spiritual journey. It helps you navigate the complexities of finding and connecting with your spiritual tribe. Pay attention to your gut feelings when you meet new people or join new communities. Your intuition can guide you towards those who resonate with your energy and away from those who do not. Trust these feelings, even if they don't make logical sense at the moment. Practice mindfulness and meditation to strengthen your connection with your intuition. These practices help quiet the mind and allow your inner guidance to come through more clearly. The more you listen to and trust your intuition, the stronger it will become. Intuition can also guide you in recognizing the right opportunities and events to attend. Sometimes a particular workshop, retreat, or community might just feel right. Trust this feeling and explore it further. Your intuition is your inner compass, guiding you towards your spiritual tribe. Remember, finding your spiritual tribe takes time and patience. Stay true to your path and keep seeking. Your tribe is out there, ready to support and grow with you. The journey to finding your spiritual tribe is not always easy, but it is deeply rewarding. By understanding your own spiritual path, seeking authentic connections, engaging in spiritual communities, attending workshops and retreats, being open and vulnerable, using social media mindfully, and trusting your intuition, you pave the way to finding those who truly resonate with your soul. Embrace the journey and be patient with yourself and others. The right people will come into your life at the right time. Continue to grow, explore, and deepen your spiritual practice. Your tribe will find you when you are ready, and together, you will create a supportive and nurturing community. If you found this helpful, leave a comment and like the video. Join our community by subscribing for more spiritual guidance. Peace and light to you all.